Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is corned beef season, and our friend Colton from Lock 34 Bar and Grill is here to help us out. Colton, help us.
Here we are. So I have a piece of corned beef brisket.
Yes.
You can go get it at Tops pretty much throughout the month of March. I scored the top of it. It's gonna help the fat render throughout it.
Yeah.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, put it in your baking dish.
Yes.
You're gonna wanna add your beer first so you're not taking the pickling spices off the top. So you'll go for about a pint of dark beer, amber,
Okay.
porter, stout. And then
You poured it around it.
Yep,
Okay.
yep. So that's gonna cook throughout, and then you're gonna take your pickling spice here, little homemade blend here, something
Okay,
special.
really quick, tell us what's in that homemade blend.
Yep, so we have some mustard seeds, some coriander seeds, some whole cloves, some whole black peppercorns, bay leaves, a little bit of cinnamon, mustard seeds.
Oh, I love that. A little bit of cinnamon. I love that. I
Yeah.
would have never thought of that.
So we're gonna go ahead and generously season from the top, making sure it spreads out throughout the whole beef. Brisket here. You're gonna wanna coat the whole meat.
And I'm gonna try. How long are we baking this?
So this, my suggestion is to put it in a hotter oven, about 400 degrees for an hour. That's gonna give you a little bit of rendering on the fat cap on top. It is a fatty piece of meat. But after that, you're gonna wanna go into the oven for 300 degrees for about 2.5, 3 hours until it reaches an internal temp of 165 degrees and it's fork tender.
This is tender. This is amazing. How did you get into food?
So my story starts, at a very young age. My mother couldn't smell or taste, so after I was done building a deck with my mom and dad, or my dad, I'd go inside the kitchen and build whatever recipe we're cooking for the night. So I'd be the taste tester, I'd be the knife guy. I'd go back out and hammer a nail, and then I'd come back in and try it again. So after that,
I tell you what, you can come cook for me anytime. I'm gonna come visit y'all.
please.
You need to go to the website, wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. It is so good. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.